Alright, so welcome back my friends to my video tutorial for Microsoft Excel. For this video, we will be having a topic regarding text coloring. So without further ado, let's start our MS Excel tutorial. Alright, of course, since I have said before that we will be having our tutorial regarding text coloring, of course, we can color a text without having a text. So let's have here a simple text. So let's try to have I am handsome. Wow. So let's try to have I am handsome. So let's try to have a color for this simple text. Okay, so actually there are two ways. So let's try here. Two ways to have a color. So for the first one is by using a ribbon. So let's say here a ribbon. When we say ribbon, this is the upper part of our Microsoft Excel environment. And that first way using a ribbon is actually under the Home tab, and this is the text coloring cell, which is also called as the font color. I hope you see it. For the second way is that is actually using the format cells. Okay, so for the format cells, we will be having that format cells on our at the end part of our video tutorial. Okay, so for now, let's have the ribbon first. So I am handsome. Our text is great. Okay, so let's try to have this font color, this arrow down, just click this, my friends. Actually, we have different color categories here. First one is the automatic. When we say automatic, that is the color that we are currently having here, which is actually black. So automatic is equivalent to color black. That it is. For the second one, we have the theme colors. When we say theme colors, these are a family of colors that is related to each another. For example, we used to have a theme colors orange. So from this point of view up to this cell, those are all colored orange, but they are of different shades. So from light orange up to the dark orange. Same goes with the blue, from light blue up to the dark blue, and same goes to green, from light green up to the dark green. And same goes with other colors, of course. That is for the theme colors. For the standard color, this is the standard colors preset by Microsoft Excel, which is actually all the colors of the rainbow, but without having any other shades for that specific color, unlike here in theme colors. So that's the difference between the two. Next, we have actually the more colors. For these more colors, we have different categories like this one. So we can set the shading here. So for example, if I wanted to have a somehow color red, and that's it. So I hope you get it for the more colors. For the next, we also have here actually almost the same. They just look different physically or virtually, as I have said. We also have here the color patterns. Okay, almost the same with the standard colors. For the spectrum, we can actually, let's try to choose this green and click OK. So that's basically how it works, the spectrum. Next, we have the next one, more colors. Then let's try to have this. Okay, the pencil type of choosing the color. So let's try to have this color, strawberry. Wow. Okay, let's have strawberry. Alright. I got hungry actually. And that's it. So basically, the more color type of our font colors is actually almost the same. It is they're just differences is all about the virtual presentation of the colors. So that's the first way of coloring our text through ribbon, and again under the Home tab. For the second way, that is the format cell. So just make sure that you are currently on the cell that you wanted to change the font color. So if you're currently on that cell, like me right now, I am currently on the C4, just click the right button of your mouse, so right click, then choose the format cells. And for the format cells, by default, it will lead you to the font. And the color, he is actually around on this space, on this area. So just click almost the same with this one on the ribbon. They have there also the automatic, the theme colors, the standard colors, the recent colors. Actually, this is the recent colors that I have used, and the more colors. Okay, so for more colors, again, it is just the same. Okay, so I hope you get it, my friends, and I hope I just help you from this very simple and quick video tutorial regarding text coloring on Microsoft Excel. So if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, so see you on our next tutorial regarding MS Excel, and keep safe always, my friends. Goodbye.